Okay, let's get to work. The greatest thing about stir fries is you can put whatever you want in them. So tonight I'm using a mixture of snow peas, broccoli, mushrooms, onion, and garlic. I'm also going to be dicing up some chicken, spicing it up, lots of flavor, some fried rice, and I'm even going to add a hint of dill. Here I'm going to slice up and clean the chicken. Once I've got that done, I'm going to go ahead and add some plastic wrap, 2 layers on top of the chicken, and I'm going to use my meat tenderizer to flatten the chicken out a little bit. This will allow it to cook evenly and a little bit faster as well. Exactly what we want for the stir fry. Find this is a great spice combination coming up. I have garlic and onion powder, cumin and coriander, salt, pepper, paprika, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. We'll make sure the chicken is coated very, very thoroughly, and I'll add a little bit more spice, and then we'll get to cooking. A little bit of olive oil in the pan, and listen to that sizzle. Once that chicken has turned color, you'll see here around the edges and towards the center, we'll go ahead and turn everything over and cook until we've got that nice golden brown color. Multitasking tonight. Here comes the rice. I'm going to fluff it up and set it aside. We'll go ahead and get our vegetables started. Remember, for our stir fried, we'd really like our vegetables to have a little bit of crispness to them. We'll add everything in here slowly, one at a time. The broccoli and the snow peas. Everything in here is looking delicious. We've got some mushrooms, and then of course I've got some fresh chopped dill I'm adding in for that extra flavor tonight. Now it's time for construction time, where we bring everything together. We'll bring in our rice, add in 1 whole egg and a few drops of soy sauce, and bring that all together. Next, we're going to bring back in our chicken, and finally our vegetables, and bring all of these great flavors together. Please also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You'll be able to see many more great dishes following my channel. We'll learn and eat together. This chicken stir fry is such an easy recipe, yet very, very delicious. I hope you enjoy.
Boom! Delicious.